Do you have a clear process in place for hiring that next amazing employee? I hear all too often nowadays that the hiring process is so difficult that there are no good people out there to find. Well, I disagree. Just 2 months ago, we were able to find two A players to join our team. And the best thing is it only took 1 week to get it done. We have a clear process in place. We post the ad on a Friday, sift through applications, conduct group interviews that lead to individual interviews, and then we find our A players and hire them by that next Friday. After 20 plus years in practice, I've refined and perfected this process, and every time we have to hire, it is very easy for us. I also teach chiropractors how to do this all the time. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out and I can show you how.